Hi guys, hope everyone's well. As you're probably aware, the office is now closed due to the COVID-19 situation, and we thought this would be the perfect opportunity to put together a number of videos, maybe a series of videos covering a range of topics from self-care to stress management to spinal health, exercises, that sort of thing. If there's any exercises or any topics you want us to cover, just let us know and we'll do our best to put that together for you. So we're going to start out today with a really basic but effective postural exercise, a postural reset or reboot exercise that we should do every day ideally. So what we're going to have you do is start out with your heels, hips, shoulders, and head against the wall. You want to be able to get your hand just in between the small of your back and the wall. That's typically an ideal neutral posture. And what we want to do is turn our palms forward and just imagine tucking the shoulder blades down into our back pockets. And spend a minute or two, or just a few seconds, just getting used to that position. And then what we're going to do is move into what I call wall shavasana. We're going to move our feet about 1 foot distance away from the wall and then try to recreate that neutral spine position. We don't want to be too far back. We don't want to be too far into extension. You just want to find that spot in the middle. Turn your palms forward, activating the posterior chain or the posterior core muscles, and take some breaths in that position. Ideally, at least 3 breaths, eyes open or closed. Big belly breaths. You've done your breaths, come off the wall. You might feel a bit of dizziness, which is to be expected. We're typically stuck in suboptimal or not ideal posture, and then to suddenly reset into optimal posture, the body just takes a second to find balance after that. So I would suggest doing that every hour ideally. 3 breaths, maybe 10 breaths if you have time. Use that as a time to check in, see how you're feeling, see if there's any areas of tension in the body that you can release by breathing into them. And ideally, trying to do that every hour would be great. Maybe get an app on your phone or a timer that goes off every hour just to remind you to do that. Thanks a lot. I hope that's helpful, and we'll talk to you soon.